Whether you're seeding rice steps on the exquisite mountainsides of Lombok in anticipation of high rainfall, or constructing power lines across an alpine region while contemplating the next day's cross-country skiing expedition, the latest generation of enterprise drones offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative enterprise drones which will not only deliver the goods, but take the vision to new heights. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Whether conducting infrastructure inspections, search and rescue missions, or other industrial applications, DJI's Matrice 30T provides a platform for utility. With unmatched dual vision and TOF sensors, a robust remote controller, and even a docking station for truly remote operations, an elegant suite of tools work in concert. The drone's wide camera enables the capture of color-rich video that is well-suited for autonomous mapping missions. There is also a zoom camera that provides a 16 times optical zoom which integrates with the remote's 200 times digital zoom, a thermal imagery camera, as well as a laser rangefinder ideal for the precise measurement of distances. With a flight time of up to 41 minutes, the M30T can cover large areas and complete more onerous and time-demanding tasks without the need for battery swaps. When operating in harsh environments, its robust, weather-resistant frame enhances reliability for inspections, even during challenging conditions such as high winds or inclement weather. The advanced software inside the M30T allows users to perform autonomous flights that follow pre-programmed inspection routes. This helps ensure that inspections are thorough and consistent and allows operators to focus on other tasks. With dedicated cloud-based management software, streamlined team communication, and a lightweight portable design, the DJI Matrice 30T makes for a superb industrial-grade mapping inspection tool. Wing is an air delivery drone service designed for the pickup and delivery of a wide range of items including food, medicine, and household essentials. Utilizing an aircraft library approach, wherein engineers develop a variety of aircraft configurations specifically suited to different payloads, deliveries are made possible via tethers and grappling hooks which pick up and drop off small bags and cardboard boxes on customers' front lawns. Flight is via a hybrid aircraft design, which combines vertical takeoff and landing and precision hovering capability with fixed wings for cruise flight. The largest drone in the fleet can carry up to 5 pounds, fly 12 miles round trip, and cruise at a speed of 65 miles per hour. This translates to an under 6-minute delivery time. The system includes the use of auto-loader stations, which are installed at retailers' parking lots and rooftops, for employees to load a prepared order when ready. Integrating into existing last-mile logistics services in urban and suburban areas. The company has completed over 350,000 deliveries, most of which have taken place in Australia. It is claimed that by shifting more deliveries to small electric multi-rotor aircraft, fewer polluting trucks will be needed for last-mile deliveries. These environmental benefits, coupled by the time effect and cost-attractive model, make wing delivery drones a compelling forward-thinking proposition. The DJI Grass T50 is targeted at those managing larger-scale farms seeking efficiency in their operations. With massive 54-inch props in a dual-rotor configuration above and below the arm, the drone is capable of distributing a payload to as much as an 8-meter radius. The device is capable of carrying 10.5 gallons spraying or 110.2 pounds spreading payloads. This equates to efficient spraying of up to 21 hectares per hour, supported by the drone's dual atomization system, featuring a flow rate of up to 4.2 gallons per minute with 2 sprinklers and adjustable size spray droplets. This makes it ideal for a variety of applications from fields to orchards. Easily converted to its spreading configuration, the T50 can carry 110.2 pounds of dry granules and spread at a flow rate of up to 1.5 tons per hour. It features an upgraded 4-antenna O3 transmission system, which allows it to be monitored and controlled from as far as 1.2 miles away. For operations over mountains and other complex environments, users can deploy a DJI relay to extend transmission range and stability for improved operation safety. This combination of power, precision, and versatility sets the DJI Agras T50 apart as a unique and vital agricultural solution designed to meet the evolving needs of modern farming. The Autel Dragonfish is a fixed-wing VTOL drone primarily suited to aerial surveillance operations across the industries of public safety, search and rescue, firefighting, and disaster relief. The aircraft incorporates a multi-rotor and a traditional fixed-wing system, an interesting combo that yields flight flexibility. Essentially, this provides increased flight time, easier flight navigation, and the ability to take off and land anywhere. With a 2-hour endurance, the craft can respond to multiple requests for overwatch or check multiple at-risk homes without stopping for a battery change. Data is collected via an enhanced wide-angle camera, laser rangefinder, zoom, and thermal imaging camera. Relevant information is then visualized on the drone's base station controller, featuring a 9.7-inch 1000 nit display, which makes for easy visibility during daytime operations. The aircraft is built using durable materials, including carbon fiber and fiberglass, and has a weather resistance rating of IP43, allowing it to navigate through harsh climatic conditions with minimal interruptions. Autel's Voyager is the software utilized by the drone, which facilitates autonomous functions such as flight log storage, intelligent tracking, and advanced planning of aerial operations. Autel's Dragonfish provides a critical response to emergency situations, supporting the well-being and prosperity of communities around the world. The Sony Airpeak Z1 is the world's smallest drone capable of carrying Sony's line of full-frame alpha mirrorless cameras. It supports lenses as wide as 14mm, extending up to 100mm for a narrower field of view, with apertures as low as f1.8. This makes it compatible with a wide range of Sony or Zeiss lenses, providing the creative or industrial professional with an exciting array of options for capturing stunning aerial stills and footage. The drone can travel from 0 to 50 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and boasts a top speed of 55.9 miles per hour without payload. It withstands harsher weather and high winds extremely well and is equipped with stereo cameras on all sides and the underneath for obstacle avoidance. It has a limited maximum range of 1.1 miles and a maximum altitude of 8,202 feet above sea level. The Sony RCR VH1 remote can mount smartphones and tablets with up to 7-inch screens. By utilizing the Airpeak Flight mobile app, the drone, along with the connected gimbal and camera, can be directly controlled throughout the flight. With support for the full range of Sony alpha mirrorless cameras, compatibility with a comprehensive selection of exquisite Sony and Zeiss lenses, and impressive in-flight stability, the Sony Airpeak S1 makes for an exciting means of capturing aerial stills. So guys, if you are looking for an enterprise drone, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.